This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Maura Bain. Must see this beautiful custom-built Craftsman in Culpepper Landing. Built by Eagle Construction, and owners went beyond in all upgrades. Open floor plan, neutral colors throughout, and custom lighting/ceiling fans. Engineered hardwood floors throughout first floor living area and primary bedroom. Spacious first floor primary suite west/huge walk-in closet, walk-in shower and soaking tub. Eat-in open kitchen west/huge center island/bar. Granite counters, stainless steel appliances west/range hood, stone backsplash, built-in drawer microwave, 42 cabinets, under cabinet lighting, butler's pantry west/granite countertop and large double-door food pantry. Formal dining room has tray ceiling west/crown molding, chair rail and picture frame moldings. Huge family room west/home theater PKG. Oak staircase. Walk-in attic could be frog. Rear patio overlooks lake. Fish from the backyard. Tons of storage. 2-car sheetrocked garage west/epoxy-coated floor. Decking on covered front porch. Schedule your tour. Open house Sat. 5/21 1 to 4 p.m. For more information, review the details below or contact Maura Bain at 757-418-2139.